Hey guys, welcome back to my channel H-Tech, and here you can see in the Play Store some really good special earn rates are available. Here you can see earn 4 points per $1, and here below here you can see earn 5 points per $1. Okay, so if you spend $1 in these games you will get 5 points, and if you spend $1 in these games you will get 4 play points. Okay, so here you can see in 5 points so many games are available. 5 games are available. Okay, so if you are playing or using these games, if you spend $1 you will get 5 play points in return. And here you can see earn 4 points per $1, and if you are using or playing these games, and if you spend $1 in these games, okay, you will get 4 play points in return. Here you can see Candy Crush Saga, Pokemon Go, Guns of Glory, PUBG Mobile, Clash of Clans. Okay, so in above if you spend $1 you will get 4 play points, and in below if you spend $1 in these games you will get 5 play points. And here you can see this will end 21 June. Okay, so you did not have a lot of time. Okay, so if you want to spend your money in these games, do it now, or otherwise you will not get this much play points. Okay, so 4 and 5 below and 4 above. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up and share this video with your friends, and I have to see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.